Hello guys, this is Aaron from SPROLINK, and this time I'm very excited to be at InfoComm 2025. And this time we have bring a lot of new device. Let's check out what we have. First, I want to show you our new device, N5. This one is a laptop mental structure live streaming switcher. It has HDMI input. It also has SDI input. In here, you can see all the input content here. And you can see we have input channel 5. This input channel 5 can play the video directly. You don't need to connect a laptop to play the video content. Yeah, it can also play the pictures. Also can play the videos. Yeah, and this device can also control the PTZ cameras. When I click PTZ, then I can use a joystick to control the PTZ cameras, zoom in and zoom out. This device can also do the live stream directly. You can see we have two RTMP stream over here, and we can do recording directly on the device by SD card or USB. Yeah. And sometimes you want to do the chroma key. You can just use the key functions here to have the chroma key and luma key. Now I turn off. You can see here is a chroma key. Okay, the input channel 5 in here we have it is multifunctional. Sometimes you can play the video. It can also play the webcam. You can also use your cell phones as a signal source. It can also support a one-channel NDI and the SRT post-stream. Now it's SRT post-stream. Yeah, so it's a very powerful live streaming switchers. Welcome to our booth to check this device.
What's your website?
Our website is www.sprolink.com.